Okay, so I got some redwood needles from the tree. They're the younger ones, so they're a bit softer. The harder ones you use for tea. So we're gonna mince these up and get them in the dough. Alright, so I minced up the redwood needles nice and fine and combine them into the dough. We will let this rise and then later work it out. Alright, the dough has risen and we shall punch it and flatten it out. Okay, so the sauce is on. It has garlic, tomato paste, some cherry tomatoes, and summer sausage. And I'll put this in the oven. I'm not going to put cheese. I don't have that much left of cheese. So we're going to do it without it. Alright, just pulled it out of the oven. Looks really good. Gonna let that cool down. It's still steaming. And then we will have a slice of it. Yeah. Well, the flavor is just wonderful. When you mince the redwood needles, it smells like a lemony citrus, which is actually quite unique. Herbal, unique, niche, perfect.